Hey everyone, so I saw a video about if I had $100,000, what would I do starting over at 40 for investing? And a lot of this advice is to like diversify the crap out of it. In my mind, I'm like, okay, you're at 40 years old, you're like 20 years behind, and you got like 20 to 25 years of expected work out of you. So you better get moving. And a lot of these, I don't know what to call them, but they like fin bros or finance bros or whatever. They diversify the crap out of it, which like I get it. Diversification is important to a degree, especially if you have a well-established account that can still get good yields while being spread over many sectors. But in my opinion, I guess it sounds counterintuitive, but you kind of got to just put everything into one high yield dividend or something, like an ETF dividend, because you know you're trying to make up for lost time, and you can't just drop that 100K and leave it. You got to keep adding to it. You got to put 100K in and then just keep adding to it, and then just like hope that you picked a stock that isn't going to just flounder. Obviously, like, you wouldn't pick something like, I don't know, like a growth stock or a tech stock. You'd pick something like a utility or something that pays a dividend and it's just been slow and steady and no one really cares about it, so that you can get, you don't lose your initial investment and then you can profit off those dividends. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't make sense to be 40 years out. You just start. You somehow have 100,000, and then I'm gonna spread it thin. It's like, no, I'm gonna pick something with high yield, put as much as I can into that, and then work from there and continue to contribute. And then once you get to a point where, oh hey, I'm getting good returns and I'm comfortable with this and I can see this growing, then you can start to sell your positions if you feel like you need to, or just invest in other positions to help diversify out. Keep your initial position if you feel like it's safe and stable, and then just instead of adding to that same like position, like that same stock. Let's say you just picked one, just start buying other ones instead to help, and out of this sector that one is in, to help diversify your portfolio. And obviously, then that grows into like owning bonds and stuff and whatever. But yeah, it just didn't make sense to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, I'm not so sure that starting over at 40, you should highly diversify, because you're kind of already behind, and so you should kind of. It's a bad, if I was like, hey, I'm 20, I'm not going to put everything into one basket. But yeah, I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts on that?